Hello, and this is Cadmin speaking. This video I will specially make just for you, Mr. Snatch, and tell you how do you actually configure your PGN using my AI website, PGN Editor Virtual App, right here. So you have the score sheet A, which is the one I gave you a couple of days ago, which is now you get back to me, and I got the screenshot right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the input. So this is happening on February 7th of 2026. I'm just gonna type that right here. February 7th of 2026. Okay, good. Now the event is already happened, which is fun base fun node base, for example, site location .com, whatever. I'm just gonna start assigning player teams. Now you can either type the player names in these boxes right here, or you can also type right here. So if you don't type and set to default, it's just gonna leave one blank. So I'm just gonna start typing me, which is Cadmin. And this is Mr. Wolf, I think. I'm just gonna add some respect to Mr. Wolf. So now I don't know his basic rating. I'm just gonna give him a 400. And of course we are from Vietnam. So yep, that's from Vietnam. This is the titles which you can choose, and it's gonna vary right in the website right here. For example, if Mr. Wolf is a GM, it's just gonna show the title right next to his name. But I'm gonna make it standard, okay? I'm gonna make it standard. For me, I'm not even having any titles. That's also an extra title for master, but I'm not gonna add right here. And so by default, my current ELO at the moment is 1450. Might change over time, but in the time recording this video, okay? So for the avatar URL, the only way to obtain it is by heading to chess.com website. Maybe find someone. I'm just gonna go ahead and search for someone right here in the community and click on members. I'm searching for member Wolf or anyone with Wolf avatar. I don't know. Yeah, for example, this person is an FIDE master, which is super good. I can go ahead and get the image address, copy the image address right here, and then you're gonna paste it right in here. Here, you see the format? It has to be image.chess.com file.com/uploads and stuff like that. Okay? So same to me. So technically it has to be a chess.com avatar to make it work. Even if it's not your avatar, okay, I want to get mine, same thing, paste right here. Oh, that's not the right image, isn't it? I don't know. Probably a bit wrong, but that's okay. I mean, I can just copy image link right here. I think this is the correct one for me. Yeah, there you go. So now we have to manually add the moves because you want to add notation, custom notation for each move, right? For example, in the main sheet right here, you have e4, e5. but I can just go ahead and set it to blunder. It also shows the notation right here. You can clear that just like what you wish, but by adding custom notation it might make the game change. Let me show you how. So I don't have premium, but you can try to do it yourself, and you can see it does not show the same result when you analyze the game. So for the best game result, it's better for you to not annotate any move, even if the move contains some sort of brilliancy, sacrifice, or random, tactical moves, something like that. So probably right here, we're just gonna start adding the move manually. Alright, gonna take a while. So, okay. V7 does mate. So once you finish the whole thing, you can start generate the PGN. This is what you have. Okay. Oh, you can also add the round. You can add it later on. I'm just gonna download it. Sure. I can also copy it and paste, but this is enough for me. I can also see the moves here. Like I can edit that as a blunder. That would go. That's really funny. So you got to the training part and click analysis. Over here you can upload the file or just throw it right in here. Here's the one-shot install. And now you're gonna start adding the games. Allow. And now you can see the whole data is loaded. Oh. Silly me, so I forgot to pick my country. Vietnam, thank you. Bottomless. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna click on this. I cannot download it. Just copy right here and reload, and let's re-upload this thing. This should be correct right now. So I haven't used my game review today, so probably I can use this to review my game by clicking the review button. Don't worry about the image, it's a GIF, so it's kinda glitching out. The elo is normal. Technically you're not playing too well in this game, Mr. Wolf, but here I'm just giving you this example on how you can use my website to utilize the games. Okay, so just gonna okay, so this will be the default accuracy notation, but once you do a let's just say I do a hit F5, okay, and then the quickest two moves checkmate it should be this and this. So let's try this again. I'll set that to blunder. There should be a mistake, even if it's not technically a mistake. Okay, so Fishy will say different. Fishy will say this is not what you want, even if it's interesting. Interesting is a special one. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna generate the PGN, copy it right here, and put it back to chess.com website. And you can see they try to create the format for each moves. You can see right here. I'm just start moving. This is a blunder. And you can see the eval bar. Or they say this is technically not a strong move either. Yes, I don't care. It should be a bulk move, the quickest move. The legacy meme, you know, the two mason move meme. And yeah, this is what you have. I can't do any more review, but if you do the review, you can see the notation will be based on these just for decoration. Maybe you can also add notation, you know, using the theory right here. You can use something else like equal right here. Who cares? Technically, that's how you use it, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.